this is why fishing on the river is such a different thing than on a lake. These currents are consistently flowing, you guys. It makes a big difference. Very big difference, you guys. Everybody, all right everyone, welcome back to the channel. Always using my trusty Phoenix featherweight 6'9" medium heavy with my SOX DC bait caster reel here, and I'm still team top, you guys. Always team top before anything else. Summer's almost over, fall is almost here, so it's that great transitional period. So we'll see what we're gonna get. We shall see, everybody. Maybe and hopefully, crossing my finger, today we get like a northern, maybe a muskie, whatever. There's nothing in sight in my fish on. Oh damn. Oh, I missed it. Oh, that's good. It's pretty cool. Maybe I have to go bottom instead of top. Yeah. But small smallie. Did you? I saw something jump right there. Yeah. Let's head down this side and then just come up river on that side up. Instead of going like a mile over there, let's just follow this shore. And then we'll just go to the other side and come back up. Yeah, let's do that. Can you see the bottom? Can you see the bottom? Or it's too deep, huh? Oh yeah. I might have to go underwater. Not top.
Yeah. Fish on.
Oh, fish on. All right. See, there we go. All right. See, I might have to go underwater. Yeah. Yeah. The Yo-Zuri bone weight did not produce. Saw 4 or 5 fish jumping, hitting top, so I believe in it. Come on, let's get fishing, you guys. Let's get fishing. Let's get fishing. Hoping to get something big. All right, whopper popper time. Size 90, everybody, size 90. Let's burn through this water. Come on, northern. Haven't really caught a big enough northern to brag about this year, you guys. So I'm hoping to catch a big one this fishing trip before summer is over. So we'll give you a shot, everybody. Fish on? Missed one? All right. Hey, I might have to switch lures. Damn it. That's like 3 right there. I'm not filming it, but it is that time of year for top, so maybe one might hit right next to the kayak here. Never know. The river is quite deep, so they might not take it if I throw it towards the middle versus the shore, but you never know. I'll hit both left and right. I'm not gonna lie, this year top has been hard for me. I've been struggling with top. I think this year the weather has been a little bit different. What do you guys think, everyone? What do you think? Has top worked for you guys this year, or has it really been more of a bottom type of fishing? Oh, see, I told you. The other side. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay. It's time to change. Let's give it a go. Let's give it a go, everybody. And wish me luck. I'm not gonna skunk today. I refuse to get skunked. I don't have all day too, so maybe 3, 4, 4.5 hours of fishing at most. So we are gonna try to cover as much water as we can. Getting blown. It's current. Oh, is that fish? Yeah, that is a fish. All right, fish on. All right, ting no skunk. Ting no skunk. And man, this is how we do it. Oh, these triple hooks are dangerous. All right. All right. Let her go, you guys. There she goes. Woo-wee. I mean, it doesn't have the ambush point for northern, huh? Does she? It should still produce the northerns, but we haven't landed one northern at all. Oh, right there, fish on, guys. Right there, here we go. Woo! All right, second fish of the day. All right, you guys always be careful with these triple hooks. And he got like 3 hooks in him. Yeah, like 3 of the triple hooks. Feisty little guy. But hey, if we're catching fish, that's all that counts. Let's let this guy go. There she goes. There she goes. Oh, getting blown. Getting blown to the shore. To the shore, you guys. This is why fishing on the river is such a different thing than on a lake. These currents are consistently flowing, you guys. It makes a big difference. Yeah. So far we're doing good. But we want to catch those 5-6 pounder though. Yeah, that's what we're looking for. Maybe we should have hit upriver. Heading down river, you guys. And getting blown upriver. It's kind of crazy. It's a fisherman, fisherwoman, fisher kids. Kind of a day. It don't have to make sense. The only thing that makes sense is we're catching fish. Anything else, it don't matter. Oh, fish on! Right there! See? That's why I feel like something was hitting it. Alright, you guys. Right next to the kayak. Right next to the kayak. Woo-wee! Alright, you guys. Good fishing. This guy is not hooked as bad, so I think I could get him out with my hands, but safety first, you guys. Safety comes first. There we go, you guys. Nice itty bitty smallie. Let's let him go. Oh, fish on. Oh, all right, man. We're doing good today, you guys. That's how Fish On Game does it. Catching fish left and right, but being safe. Not bad. Careful, triple hooks. You gotta be careful with those triple. All right, there she goes. Okay, we're not catching like 5-6 pounder, but we are catching fish though. Is that fish? Oh, right there. Oh, no. Or is that fish? No, I think I missed it. I thought I got something. Got my hopes up. Big? I'm coming. Hitting your way. These, oh, decent size. Better than, yeah, better than before. Gotta be careful. Oh, a lot of seaweeds here. A lot of grass. I was thinking maybe I should do top here, but I've given up on top today. Maybe a one pounder. Yeah, about a 1 pounder. All right, he's killing it. My brother-in-law is killing it from Kelly, so he's better than I am. It's supposed to be my water, my territory. Fish on, man. Yeah, you're killing it. You're killing it. Making me look like a novice. Everybody, maybe we should head down a little bit. Seems like they're getting bigger. Yeah, bigger as we go down river. Getting blown. Getting blown, everybody. GoPro, stop recording. Oh,
fish on again.
Oh, killing it. That's like 6, 7 fish right now. Oh, jumper too. All right. All right. All right.
Big. It's at least like
all right. Woo.
That's big.
That's 1+ right there. Damn, not bad. You gotta be careful. That triple hook. Gotta be careful, you guys.
Stress me out for a bit. if it's a single hook, I do all day. But triple hook, always be safety. Safety comes first.
Yeah, you guys.
All right. Catch some real leisure here.
Ooh, getting blown now. Getting blown. There we go. Facing forward. Going down river, but getting blown up river. Unheard of.
I never researched it. It's good.
Uh-huh.
But
oh, right there, fish on. All right. Oh, no! Damn it. Yeah, I ripped his mouth. I think I did. I think that was my mistake there. That was on me. Yeah, that is definitely on me. My fault. Yeah. Oh. Something. Oh, damn it. Something jumped just right over there. Oh, man, getting blown. Oh, fish on. All right, damn. Damn, killing it. I lost count. Oh, that's good enough. That counts. With these triple hooks, it counts. You don't have to touch it. You just gotta get maybe 5 feet within your kayak. It counts. I think it's since we're kayaking, we're in deeper water. That's why it's working so good. Oh, damn. Is that a northern? I feel like to the right, they don't hit as much as towards the middle here. And they like that oxygen too. Oh, right there, fish on. Right there. Oh, seems decent too. Yeah, seems decent. Ooh, not bad. Whoa, 3 pounder at least. I gotta measure this guy. Yeah, they're getting bigger and bigger. All right. Woo. This is how we do it. Ooh, not bad. Yeah, this is a big one. Woo. All right, you guys. All right. Yeah, if you want to. Oh, I got it. Here, let me. This current is impossible. All right. Oh.
Pretty cool. What is it?
It's a smallmouth.
Smallmouth bass.
Yeah.
Nice. You guys are having a great day.
Yeah, we are. Perfect weather. It's not too hot, not too cold.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ooh. All right. Yeah, all right, you guys. Whoo-wee. All right, we are out here getting to know people, but catching fish too. So probably a 3-pounder here. That's what we're looking for. 3+, 4+, 5+. So back at it, you guys. Let's let this mama go. There she goes.
Fish on.
All right, damn, right next to the kayak too.
I don't want you, bro.
Itty bitty guy though. All right, we're killing it, slaying bass at the river. You took it deep, huh?
Oh, I'm so sorry. All right.
It's okay. Oh, fish on? Killing it. Oh. All right, yeah. Shoot. Oh, nice size. Decent size. Decent size, you guys. Killing it at the river. That's why you gotta get yourself a kayak. Not a boat, you guys. A kayak. Decent size.
Oh, he ate the same thing like he did earlier.
Oh, yeah. Self-release.
Okay, catch and release.
I think we gotta fish more in the middle. Morning. At the river fishing, making friends, saying hi. Not a bad day, you guys. Ain't a bad day to fish. Oh, that's why you want braided on caster reels, so it don't snap 40, 50-pound braid. Oh, beautiful day. Beautiful river. Oh, fish on! Oh, right next to the kayak. It chased it. Oh, all right. Oh, there you go. Oh, killing at the river, guys. It's okay. You want that 5-6 pounder. Oh, right there, fish on. All right. Oh, that's a big guy. I think it's it's a big guy. Ooh, yeah, if it's bending like that, it's a decent sized guy. Woo! Another, maybe 3, at least 2. Yeah, there we go. Woo, woo. Oh man, you guys, that is scary. Yeah, man. Woo. Now it's just slapping everywhere. Come on, come on. All right, not as big as the other guy, but still a decent sized fish, you guys. Not bad. Not bad at all. There you go. There she goes. Woo! That was a nice fight. That is a nice fight, and that's how we do it on the channel, you guys.